Spring is the perfect time to refresh your home with warmth, light, and charming farmhouse touches that celebrate the beauty of the season. In today's video, we're sharing cozy spring farmhouse decorating ideas that blend rustic textures, soft colors, and simple DIY inspiration to transform your home into a peaceful countryside retreat. From floral accents to vintage decor pieces, these ideas will help create a welcoming atmosphere that feels both timeless and refreshing. If you love rustic home design and cozy decorating inspiration, make sure to subscribe to All Rustic, give this video a like, and share your favorite spring decor ideas in the comments below. Let's start decorating for a beautiful farmhouse spring. Tulip. Soft pastel color palettes for a fresh farmhouse feel. One of the easiest ways to welcome spring into your farmhouse home is by introducing soft pastel color palettes that reflect the season's natural beauty. Gentle shades like sage green, dusty blue, pale blush, and creamy whites bring a calm and airy feeling to rustic interiors. You can add these tones through throw pillows, cozy blankets, painted wooden accents, or delicate floral arrangements. When paired with natural wood textures and distressed finishes, pastel colors help create a space that feels fresh yet comfortably lived in, capturing the perfect balance between rustic charm and springtime elegance. Rustic floral arrangements with garden inspiration. Nothing says spring quite like fresh flowers, and rustic farmhouse decor embraces nature in the most charming way. Create simple yet stunning floral displays using mason jars, vintage pitchers, or galvanized metal buckets filled with seasonal blooms such as tulips, daisies, or lavender. Wildflower-style arrangements work especially well in farmhouse interiors because they feel natural and effortless. Placing these floral accents on dining tables, window sills, or entryway consoles instantly brightens the room and brings the peaceful beauty of a spring garden indoors. The result is a cozy environment that feels welcoming and full of life. DIY rustic wreaths and handmade spring decor. Handmade decor is at the heart of farmhouse style, and spring offers the perfect opportunity to create beautiful DIY decorations. A rustic spring wreath made from grapevine branches, faux greenery, and soft pastel ribbons can become a charming centerpiece for your front door or living room wall. You can also craft wooden signs with hand-painted seasonal quotes, or decorate small baskets with flowers and moss for tabletop displays. These simple DIY projects not only add personality to your home but also give your spring decor a warm, personal touch that store-bought pieces often lack. Layering natural textures for cozy farmhouse charm. Spring farmhouse decorating isn't only about colors and flowers, it's also about texture. Layering natural materials such as linen, cotton, wicker, and reclaimed wood creates a cozy atmosphere that feels grounded and authentic. Think woven baskets filled with blankets, wooden trays on coffee tables, or linen table runners paired with rustic ceramic dishes. These textures add depth and warmth while keeping the space relaxed and inviting. The key to farmhouse style is combining simplicity with comfort, allowing every element in the room to feel natural and beautifully imperfect. Vintage accents that tell a story. Farmhouse interiors often feel special because they include vintage pieces that carry history and character. Incorporating antique-style decor such as weathered picture frames, old wooden crates, enamel pitchers, or distressed lanterns can instantly elevate your spring decor. These items create a sense of nostalgia and authenticity that modern decor sometimes lacks. Try mixing vintage treasures with fresh flowers and soft fabrics to create a balanced look where old meets new. This thoughtful combination makes your home feel curated, cozy, and full of personality during the bright and cheerful spring season. Cozy farmhouse entryways that welcome the season. Your entryway is the first space guests see, making it the perfect place to showcase spring farmhouse charm. A rustic bench with soft cushions, a woven basket for blankets, and a wooden coat rack can instantly create a welcoming atmosphere. Add a small table with a floral arrangement, a vintage lantern, or a farmhouse-style sign that celebrates the season. Light, greenery, and simple textures work together to make the entryway feel warm and inviting. This small decorating update sets the tone for the entire home and celebrates the joyful spirit of spring. Conclusion: celebrate spring with cozy farmhouse style. Spring farmhouse decorating is all about embracing nature, simplicity, and the cozy charm of rustic living. By combining soft pastel colors, fresh flowers, vintage accents, and handmade DIY decor, you can transform your home into a peaceful retreat that reflects the beauty of the season. Even small changes can bring new life into your space and make everyday living feel more joyful and relaxed. If you enjoyed these cozy farmhouse decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe to All Rustic, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite spring decor inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next cozy home design video. Tulip.